Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most useful productive tools you can add to your workflow. That's Firefly's AI Note Taker. Whether you attend online classes, team meetings, or client calls, Fireflies can automatically join your meetings, record the audio, transcribe everything word for word, and generate clean summaries and action points. I'll walk you through how to set it up, how to customize your settings, and how to make the most out of the notes it generates. By the end of this video, you will be able to use Firefly's AI to stay organized and never miss any important details again. So right now this is the website Fireflies AI. I have also given our affiliate link in the description. You can just simply click on this link and you will read to this website. Okay, so that link is available in the description of this video. Okay, so when you open this website you will get this kind of interface. Okay, so here first of all we are going to need to create an account, so I will go for the get started button, and here we are going to sign up or continue with our Google account. Okay, so we will connect our Google account first. So here I have selected my Gmail account. I will select continue. Okay, and it will fetch all of the details automatically. So I'll give access to our calendar as well. So select continue. It's asking for the Google Calendar because if we have any of the meeting, so at that day it will start working and gather all of the AI notes. Okay, so it is asking please review your meeting settings. So Fireflies will join all meetings with web web confirmation link. Only meetings that I own, or only meetings with IO only when I invite. So we will go for the all meetings. Okay, so send meeting recaps to everyone on the invite, yes, or you can see only me. So I will select only me. So after that you have to select continue button, and now it's asking for the let's customize your experience. So let's say our role is for as a student, so I'll just select student and hit continue button. And after that which tool do you use? So we can say we are going to use for the Google Docs. Okay, so continue. So if you want to invite coworkers to your workspace, you can just simply add their email. So for now, we are going to select not now. So as you can see that they are providing start 7-day free trials, unlimited, which include unlimited AI notes, conversation intelligence and conversation intelligence and analytics. It will provide you all the analytics, and ask Fred AI assistant. It will also provide you a ask Fred AI assistant, and you will also be able to download transcript, audio, and video. So they are offering a free trial, so you have to enter your credit card details in order to get this free trial. Okay, so after that you will just select your meeting website, like you connect your Zoom account or your Google account or Google Meet account. So then it will start taking notes for each and every meetings that you take. So that's how you can use Fireflies AI, and that way you can also do AI note taking of your important meeting. So finally we have skipped the free trial, and right now we are at the dashboard of our account. So here you can see that if you want to start recording of your meetings, you just click on this capture button. Okay, and here you can name your meeting. Okay, after that you have to enter the meeting link. So you just add your meeting link here, whether it's from Zoom meeting, for Google Meet, MS Team, or TeamViewer meeting. So it's up to you. You just need to add the link of your meeting, and after that when you add the link, and then you will click on the start capturing, and it will start capturing all of the meetings from that link, and transcribe all of the important notes in one place. And after recording you can get all of your meetings recordings here. Okay, so if you already have a recording, you can just simply also upload it here, and it will get you the AI notes, and will provide you all the transcribed data here in just in a single place. Okay, so that was all about Fireflies AI, how you can use it and how you can connect your meeting links, and then it will start capturing or transcribing your meetings in just a one click. Okay, so that was all about Fireflies. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.